Today we will discuss quad stretch with towel for assistance. Hold onto the back of a chair or a table for support while standing. Place a towel or belt around your ankle on the leg you're going to stretch. Hold both ends of the towel in your hand that's on the same side as the stretching leg. And use your other hand to hold your support object. Gently pull your leg up towards your buttocks, keeping your knees together and chest up tall. You should feel a stretch down the front of your thigh. Hold the position, then release and repeat with the other leg. Do 1 set. 1 representative, 15 seconds. Hold.